These wheels can be fitted with a belt to power other machines. These things are classified by their horsepower. They have
I've been here
one amount
since
of
day one of the Great
horsepower on
Oregon
the
Steam
draw
Up.
bar or the
What you're
hitch,
coming up
and the
here
other
is an
amount is on the
1880
belt.
case.
I believe these ones are 1030.
It has a hot
That's
seat
10
there,
on the
what I
belt,
call.
30 on
And
the
that
draw
was for the
bar.
guy who, before they had a steering mechanism put on, it was by law in 1880 that you had to have a team of horses. You can operate it like that, but you had to have a team of horses steer it. So that's what the guy stood up there. I don't know how he could stand the heat, but he stood up there and steered the thing. And the reason for it, because of the oncoming horses. They said that this thing here would scare the horses to death and run over people. But eventually that was proven false. In about 1900, I think they found a steering mechanism on the Jack Smith up there is a great grandson. I forgot how many greats. Is that about right?
To a shaft which turns the
But
gear.
before JIK started building case engines,